Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Black Shark 5 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can check the mobile data usage on this device. So first of all, open up the settings. At the settings you want to enter the connection and sharing category. In here open the data usage section, and here you'll have the detailed breakdown of how much mobile or cellular data you have used in particular, and well, how much data has been used for, or should I say by, any particular application. As you can see right here, currently it is showing the data usage breakdown for the SIM card in the first slot, since it is my primary SIM card for the mobile data. If I were to switch it right here at the second SIM card, I can re-enter this section and see that now it will show the data usage of the SIM card number 2, just like so. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.